Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about les pronoms relatifs composés avec la préposition de. So we have to learn how do we make pronom relatif composé with preposition the. We have done with preposition I in the previous video, and with other prepositions also I had given example. Now let's just see. Just like preposition a, the preposition the also contracts. It also contracts with the forms of local. Like how we are going to contract it with local? Like the plus local, when we contract them together, when we add them, they will become ducal, right? And when the plus lakel is there is no contraction. We just write them like this, the and lakel separately. Okay, and then with the plus lakel, it becomes decal, and when the plus lakel feminine comes, it becomes like this, decal. So ducal is used for masculine singular, decal, the lakel is for feminine singular, decal for masculine plural, and decal, this one, for feminine plural. Okay, let us see how do we use them in the sentences. How do we contract them in the sentences? Like, c'est un beau garçon. Okay, it is a handsome boy. Les filles parlent de ce garçon. So in the second sentence, if you see, the verb parler is followed by the preposition the. So in such many sentences you will find that many verbs are followed by the, or there are many expressions we have done which will be followed by preposition the. We will just see about those prepositions, those expressions. Okay, so in this, when you see in the second sentence, the preposition has been given, which is followed by a noun, ce garçon. Ce garçon, as you see, is a masculine singular noun. So if I have to do the contraction, it will be like the, then plus for ce garçon will be replaced by which pronoun? Interrogative. It will be replaced by lequel. Okay, so it will be the plus lequel, and it will become ducal, right? So how will we place them now in the example? Let's see. It will be like, c'est un beau garçon duquel les filles parlent. It will end here. So it is a handsome, he is a handsome boy of whom, of which the girls are talking. Okay, so just like in preposition a we did, in this case also, just note this, in this case also we need to pay attention to verbs and expressions that are followed by preposition the. Just like this, se servir de, it means, I have given you the meaning. Se servir de means to be useful. Rêver de means, rêver means to dream of something. S'occuper de, to be occupied with something, to be busy with something. So occupy, it is always followed by the. Se moquer de, it means to make fun of somebody, right? Se moquer de quelqu'un or something. Okay, like that. Avoir besoin de, we have done expressions with avoir which are followed by then preposition de. Avoir besoin de, to have need of something. Avoir envie de, to have desire of something. Parler can also be followed by a, to talk to somebody, and parler can also be followed by the sometimes, to talk of something or somebody. Okay, we have seen many expressions which are having the verb être and which are followed by adjective the. Like we have être content de. Okay, être ravi de, ravi is to delighted, to be delighted, to be happy of something, to be delighted of something. Être fier de, if you remember, fear is to be proud, to be, fear means proud, to be proud of something. Okay, like avoir besoin de, we have another expression like avoir peur de, to be afraid of something. Okay, to have fear of something. So after all these expression of verb, you can see that they are followed by preposition the. So when they are used in the sentence and you have to use pronorelative composite, so you have to do the contraction of the preposition the with the prono interrogative lequel. Okay. Now we have seen the contraction with the preposition the same thing will happen. The contraction will also take place with all the prepositions which end with the. We have seen many prepositions which end with the, like à côté de, près de, autour de, loin de, au milieu de, etc. So in all these prepositions, when they are being used in the sentence, after the, again you will have to do the contraction. Like if I contract à côté de plus lequel, it will become à côté duquel. Okay. And if I use près the with feminine or masculine, for example, I fuse it with this, so it will become près de laquelle. Okay. So all these prepositions which end with the, they are also supposed to be contracted in the sentence when we are using the pronorelative composite. For example, I've taken this example, just see it carefully. C'est un appartement. J'habite près de cet appartement. It is an apartment. I live near this apartment. So you can see that près is followed by, always followed by preposition the. So we have to contract this the with cet appartement. Cet appartement, you can see that it's a masculine noun again. So the plus cet appartement will be replaced by lequel. It will become duquel. So the preposition, how we are going to write it in the answer, it will be like this. C'est un appartement près. From here we will start it because this is a preposition. Près duquel j'habite. This is the apartment near which I live. Okay. Similarly, there is another example. À côté de, I have taken. La plage est très belle. The pool is, the beach is very beautiful. J'habite à côté de cette plage. I live near. I live beside or next to this beach. Okay. Again, à côté de is followed by, à côté is followed by preposition the, and we are going to contract it with cette plage. Cette plage is feminine. So the plus laquelle, it becomes the laquelle, and with à côté we are going to place it in between. The answer will be la plage est très belle à côté de laquelle j'habite. The beach is very beautiful, next to which I live. So this is about the pronorelative composite. I hope it is clear. Just go through the video again and again, and you will be able to understand the concept nicely. Thank you.